Section B, now you're allowed to use your calculator. Question 2, we have a group here, or a set, and it has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in it. And then we have another group, or another set, and in that group is 21, 23, 25, 27. State whether the following is true or false. So you can go to your log tables and you'll find that symbol in there, and it means an element of or is part of. So is 2 part of that group? Yes, it is. That's true. So they meant the statement that it is, and yes, it is. So I'm saying it's true. Again, you can go to your log tables and get what that means. It's a subset. So is X part of Y or a subset of Y? No. So they've made a statement there, and I'm saying it's false. Is 2, 6 a subset of X? Well, yeah, 2 and 6 are part of the overall set. So that's a true statement they've made. And here, 21 is not an element of Y. Well, it is an element of Y, so that's a false statement. Okay, and now I'm going to draw the Venn diagram. In part B here, label it. What goes in the middle? What goes in the middle here is 3. What's also in the middle? A 4. What's left in A is 7 and 13. So that's in A only. And 6 and 2. Okay, and then using the sets here, answer the following. A intersection B. So I need to list the elements. So I need start my brackets, because that's showing, okay, this is part of the set. Whatever's in my brackets is going to be part of the set. Again, you can go to your log tables. Intersection is where they cross over. Union. A uniting with B. Well, everything in A uniting with everything in B. You can obviously have it in any order. A get rid of B. A less B. 7 and 13, another way of saying A only. And B get rid of A, 6 and 2. So your brackets don't have to look like mine, but you do have to have brackets. And using the sets in part B, so we're still using these. That's not in my log tables now. This is, so A intersection B. If you didn't know the cardinal number, you could still, write this down. A intersection B, cardinal number means, our hashtag is count them. So how many things are in the group? A intersection B, there's 2. And then A complement means anything outside of A. Which again, if that's A complement, there's 2 things there as well. Part E. In a class of 100 teenagers, it was found that 60 watched X Factor and 50 watched The Simpsons and 25 watched both. Well, 25 can go in there. Now, how is it that if there's only 100 in the class, 60 watch X Factor and 50 watch The Simpsons? We have to have some overlap there. We don't have 110 people in the room. So it'd be like you put up your hand, who here does science? And you count how many people put up their hand, and then you go, all right, well, who here does French? And you count how many people put up their hand. Could there be someone who put up their hand twice? Yes, because there might be someone who does science and French. So that's, there might be someone who watches X Factor and The Simpsons, and there's 25 of them. Which means that if I put this as X Factor and this is The Simpsons, then 60 watch X Factor, 25 of those people put up their hands for The Simpsons as well, but the rest didn't. So we're left with 35 there. And 50 put up their hand for The Simpsons, 25 also put up their hand for X Factor, so there's 25 there. 25 and 25 is 50. And 35 is 85, which means there must be 15 out here. How many watched neither? 15 people in the class watched neither.